It's Chris Hansen. It's 5:34 p.m. 6/22/21. I'm being severely microwaved to the point where I had to call the NUUANU YMCA and cancel my 610 swimming reservation. This thing is giving me severe diarrhea frequency in me every few minutes. I've lost probably at least a gallon of water already out of my system. My whole head is just completely messed up. The neighbors are honking and slamming stuff next door now. It's just complete organized gang stalking and microwave weapons attacks. The AI voice again is coming from Pearl Harbor Hickam Air Force Base. This is a record of it. This video is not to ever be deleted.